how you can make your first $10,000 per month in profit with only one affiliate website, with only one landing page. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how am I doing it, step-by-step tutorial, right? So stay until the end so you can discover exactly the secrets of what is actually the secret of applying this method. So as you can see over here, right? Okay, I refresh my page. I'm getting every single day over $600 passive recurring online commissions. As you can see over here, right? 227 euros, 58 euros, 100 euros, 100 euros. So it's over $600 to $700 a day in profit. Now, how this is possible? Let me show you over here, right? What is actually our strategy? As you can see over here, right? This is my strategy. I'm looking for the targeted traffic. Now, please, in this video, I will not give you bullshit, BS, outdated methods that used to work 2 to 5 years ago, but now they are not. Because most of gurus on ClickBank, in their courses, right, they are giving you BS, outdated, shitty methods that do not work anymore. Alright, you have to understand this is the real business. This is not scammy affiliate site, right? This is not MLM, right? Not get rich scheme. This is real business where you can apply the methods and get real results. Alright, so how we are doing it? How am I personally doing this? You see, first thing is targeted traffic. Now personally, if I would be you watching this video, a newbie, I would definitely choose Google PPC, Google Ads. Why Google Ads? Because we are looking for buyers clicks, buyers traffic, right? We are looking for quality over quantity. Again, the name of the game is quality over the quantity. We don't want a lot of people, we want small amount of people to come to our ad, see our headline, read our sales copy, right, that copywriters do, and click on buy now button to purchase the product. So how I do it is 3 steps, 3 simple steps. First step is Google Ads. Then I build a small 1-page opt-in page. Why I do this? So I can sell them, so I can market, for example, on ClickBank, MaxWeb, or any other CPay affiliate network out there, low ticket or high ticket product, doesn't matter. I have one-time offer on the front end, right? You get one offer for $50 to $100, and then if you don't buy, you can subscribe to my email list for automated email, autoresponder email follow-up sequence, right? So every single day, the person, like for example you, is going to get daily emails, so I can follow up with you, so you can purchase the supplements on ClickBank, courses, coaching programs, whatever, right? So you see how this business works, right? It's not like many courses teaches you on ClickBank, don't need email list, don't need a website. Not true. It's a big lie, big BS. You need to have a website, you do need to have an email list if you want to make a big money here, right? But you don't have to do it. You're not alone. You have a whole community together, working together, helping each other to grow, right? So you can make $100 per day to $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing, promoting ClickBank products or MaxWeb products, right? Doesn't really matter. Now the next thing is, if you're watching this video, if you are stuck, you don't know what course should you buy, should you join this, should you buy this ebook, what should I do? I get you, because I used to be there, right? So what I offer you, it's free 15 to 10 minutes Unstuck Session. So you and me, you jump on a Skype call, Zoom call, or a WhatsApp call, all right? And have a conversation, a deep, real conversation about where you're at right now as you're watching this video, right? Your business, where you want to go, what you want to do, what is your budget, and what's really stopping you from achieving this dream lifestyle of affiliate marketing, right? Because time is ticking. Every day, if you're waiting, if you're scared, if you're procrastinating, the time is ticking, right? Time doesn't stop for anyone, even me. So you do need to have someone who will guide you through and help you one-on-one, step by step, and guide you to get to this $10,000 per month, 5,000 euros per month with affiliate marketing. All right. So if you have at least $1,000 to 5,000 US dollars, then you can reach out to me after you subscribe and like this video. Okay. After subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. Over here, you can see. Okay. Over here, you can connect with me one-on-one. Links are below this video. You can subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, and you can also join my private email list for hot tips and step-by-step guide on how you can get to your first $5,000 to $15,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Right? Again, I know you are serious and you are a smart person because you're still watching this video, which means, right, if you wanted not to make any money, to not make any profit, to lose money, you would do lots of different things, not get any help, no coaching, no mentorship. You would make all the mistakes on your own and repeat those mistakes, and you would never change. But I know you're smart because you're watching this video right now as I speak, and I know that you want better life, better results. So let me show you what is possible once you take this business very, very, very seriously. Right? Over here you can see, right, this is my Instagram. So those are the results you can get. The lifestyle change, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, low ticket or high ticket can offer to you once you do take action now as you're watching this video and do something about your own life, about your own future, right? So that you're not stuck. If you really want to have these kind of results, as you can see over here, you can follow me on my Instagram. You can DM me there, right? And let me know. I mean, do you have any kind of questions? Follow me there, ask me, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.